On the drive, going to be changing out belt tensioner pulley. The number needed. This is supposed to be the wear indicator mark. Let me hurry up and start this. Start by unhooking the battery because I'm already going to change out the alternator. Plus disconnecting the massive flow sensor. So it's best to disconnect the battery. For that wire. Just connect our mass. Pull up. This part's gonna go this way. And then up. Tube down here. You gotta disconnect. Now, this is the pulley. Take a regular wrench. I'm gonna take the belt off. See, this is the tensioner. Wear mark on there. Let's see. Might as well replace this. We have to do alternator. So, this right off. Now, looks like a 13, no, 15. See what type this is. Drop the bolt. There it is. One. Same thing. Take the sticker off. Like USA. I don't even want this. Okay. It's gonna match that dot up there. Oh, this way. Make sure the belt ain't caught nowhere. Just pull that away for now. Put it with my right hand. Alrighty, gotta tighten it on there. Looks good. It's on there pretty tight, but not crazy. Maybe 100 foot-pounds or 80, something like that. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's check it. Yeah, that thing's solid. Alright. That's it. Now you just put your belt back on. Alright, here goes. Alright, so it's all like that. Really, it's gonna look like this. So everything I just did, the last part, take that middle piece, it's gonna come all the way through here. Shit, come off, yeah, it came off. But it's gonna wrap around this tensioner. Just like that. Now, bottom piece will go around here, but we can't get it on there until you tense that up. So you could always take it from the alternator first, because it's pretty easy to get back on, so that you can get the bottom one on, and then see, give you enough slack up there. And you're just gonna come back with your wrench, and you're gonna push forward and slap this on, just like that. A little more force, but see. See that? Perfect. See, that's the line you want to be on, and then that's the wear line. So it's way better than the other one. So I'll hold that a little bit. Oh, I don't even got it on the pulleys here. And make sure all the ribs are on. Like that. See, there we go. It's a little better. But I gotta change this alternator, so that's it for this video.